Person, baby life. I'm bored. What can I do for fun? I don't know what I can do for fun. I'll hopefully go to sleep. Why? I don't feel like going to sleep. All of your sisters are asleep except Sarah. How come Sarah gets to be up? I don't know. Well, I think both of you guys should be in bed then if you girls are up. So go to bed. Fine. Crawl to my bed. What are you doing in my bed? Oh my god. I don't feel like having a blanket on. It's so hot outside. I can't sleep. Hey Sarah, what? I'm hungry. You're hungry in the middle of the night? Seriously, Oakley? Yes, I'm hungry. Do you have any food in your bed? Why would I keep food in my bed? I don't know. Because what if you eat in the middle of the night? Well, I feel like sneaking out some food. You want to sneak out food? What's so wrong about that? Sneaking out food is horrible. No, it's not. I'll get some food anyways. Can I come with you then? Because I'm a little bit hungry. You fell for it. You're hungry. Fine, okay, let's go. Let's just go downstairs. No, hopefully nobody's there. Nobody's there. We can get food. Yeah. Ow. Look in the fridge. Look in the fridge. If there's any food. Cupcakes. Oh, ew. Who makes tomato soup? I don't know. Let's eat it. Wait, rock, paper, scissors. Who gets to have the paper? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I have paper. You have rock, so I cover you. Oh, come on. I don't have the yucky orange one then. This is so good. I can't believe nobody else wanted this. Oh my god, I think I hear Mom coming downstairs. Okay, I hear Mom coming downstairs. Come on. Oh my god, oh my god. I'm gonna check on the girls. Oh, fast asleep. Sarah, you're up? No? Oakley, you're up too. No? Girls, I knew you both were up. Okay, fine, I'll tell the truth. It was just that in the middle of the night, we were really hungry. I was like, I think we should get some food, and then we went ahead and got some food, and then we went ahead and got some food, and then, yeah, we kind of did that. Girls, it's just asked before you girls went to bed. We're really sorry, Mom. We won't do that again. Okay, girls, but now you girls need to go to sleep. What do you girls even have? Cupcakes. Girls, you need to brush your teeth again. No more sugar in the middle of the night. No more, girls. And whose idea was even to do this? It was my idea. Well, you should listen to her, Sarah, because now you're both in trouble. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to Dolce Night and see you guys later. Hopefully you don't do that too in the middle.